What is this boy really doing at work hours? Let me see what he's watching. Bumbles time to work, Bumbles. Have no time to watch movies.
Okay, Grandma, I'm gonna fix it right away.
What is going on? This little boy still haven't fixed the phone. Hey, Bumbles. Why are you watching Transformers and the customer is waiting on their phone?
Oh, sorry, Grandma. Let's do this thing. So customer bought a phone to repair. You know, Transformers, we repair all phones, repair Samsung. Repair iPhone, any phone. You just bring it to Transformer Electronics, and we will get it repaired for you at a great time. At an affordable price only at Transformer Electronics.